So guys, if making between $100 to $200 is not too small for you, then all I'll just tell you is go to your Play Store or App Store to download this application called Ari Wallet. Ari Wallet. Now the application is there. Click on it. Now as you can see, I already have the application on my phone there, so there is no need for me to download again. All I'll just do is click on Open. After clicking on Open, then I'll click on Testnet. After that, then I'll click on Sign Up. After clicking on Sign Up, then I'll click on Agree to All. After clicking on Agree to All, then I'll click on Next. I will input my email here. I will input my password. I'll confirm the password again, and I will enter my referral code. Now, for the sake of this video, you can simply check my referral code in the comment section, in the description box. You will see everything there. You'll see the link to Play Store and link to App Store there. So after inputting my password and my referral code, then I'll click on email verification. Now, a verification code will be sent to my email. I'll just have to input it. So I was asked to input the code above, then I'll just write it. So the instruction says the verification code has been sent to your email. I just click on OK. So I'll be waiting for my verification code. So after inputting my verification code and my password with my referral code, then what I will be doing next is click on Next. After clicking on Next, then I'll click on OK. But before I click on OK, I need to copy my master code and save it somewhere safe. Do you get now? I have to keep it somewhere safe, so in case you lost your account, so you might be able to recover your account with your master key. So I'll just copy this. After copying it, then I'll click on OK. After clicking on OK, then I'll just enter the wallet. So for using someone else's referral code, I was given 50 Ari token. Remember, this is just like a Testnet token. The conversion of the Testnet token to the Ari token is not known yet. You just have to keep accumulating the token. So at TGE, then we'll know the conversion rate and the price of each token. So after that, so what you just have to do every day to accumulate more token is, one, on a daily basis, you have to click on this 3 bar and click on today's quiz. So every day, a quiz will be brought to you every day. All you just have to do is answer the quiz to accumulate more token, and also check in every day. Now, for today's quiz, the question says, what is the main purpose of Ari chain penalty system? The first option says token burning. The second one says removing participants who harm the network. The third one says forcing the governance participation. The fourth one says reducing token circulation. Now, the answer for today is removing participants who harm the network. After clicking on your right answer, then you click on check. After clicking on check, now I was told my answer is correct. And I was told, congratulations, you have earned 10 Ari coins for answering correctly. So I'll just click on OK. After clicking on OK, then I'll go back to this 3 bar at my top right corner. I'll click on it and click on daily check-in. Then I will click on check-in. This is just what I will do every day to accumulate more tokens. Now, to accumulate more Ari token, all you just have to do is complete your daily check-in, one, and secondly, answer the quiz correctly, and thirdly, invite your friends. If you have friends and family, you can also invite them so that they can get on board. And when the token get launched on exchanges, then you can do whatever you want with it, either sell it or you hold it. So that will be all for this video, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget, check the description of this video to get the link to download the Ari Wallet, and also check my referral code. I also use my referral code. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.